Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can get traffic to your YouTube channel, your Instagram page, or everywhere. Wherever you create content, you can get traffic from this source. A big traffic source from where you can get almost 20 million traffic and to your website, to your YouTube channel, to your Instagram page, whatever you want to promote. So just pay close attention in this video. I'm going to reveal to you the traffic source today. In the end, I will show you how you can create content and upload to that traffic source so that you get more and more traffic to your content. Okay, so let's get into action and don't without wasting any time. So here is the platform which we are going to use. It is known as dribble.com. Okay, now let's go to Similarweb and check out how much traffic this platform gets. SIMILER. Okay, we will be going to Similarweb and we'll be checking how much traffic this platform gets. Okay, now let's analyze the website. Dribble.com. Okay, yes, thanks. So we will see this. See, this is the website dribble.com and see what happens. It is global rank is 3000 and country rank is 1430. It gets almost 12.54 million of traffic. Okay, that's a huge amount of traffic which you get on this website. And you can see here 13% of the traffic is from United States, 15% is from China, 7% from India. So you get a big amount of traffic from this website. Okay, so this is a great website from where you can promote your Instagram page, your YouTube channel, as well as your website, whatever you create content on free. So this is a huge amount of traffic which you can get from this website. It almost gets 12 million page visits every single month. So it is even if you get 1% of this 12 million, it would be a great amount of traffic which you would get on your channel. Okay, so you can see here it is directly, it can be seen the 52% of direct traffic referrals as well as other traffic sources are given over here. See, all this is stacked up and you can see it gets almost 100% organic traffic. That's awesome, that's insane. So how we will use this platform to get traffic, this is what I'm going to show you on this video. So stick to this video until the end. I don't want you to get stuck anywhere between the middle. I will be showing you each and every step which you require to get a fraction of this traffic on your YouTube channel, on your Instagram page, on your website, or wherever you want traffic. Okay, so just go to this website which is called dribble.com. So what people are doing here is people are just creating this type of content. Okay, for example, see here you can see a content which is just some of the images. Okay, and what they are doing is they have uploaded this to this website which is known as dribble.com, and they have written here in the description and they have given their contact link over here. Okay, and they're also their Instagram page. So this is how they are promoting their Instagram page. Okay, so here you can see there are 42,391 views on this content. Okay, this is insane, and it is uploaded just a day ago, 28th of October 2019, and you can see there are 608 likes and 131 saves. So this is an insane amount of traffic which this page is getting in just a single day. So you can also get this type of traffic on your website, on your page, on your YouTube channel with this website. So how you are going to create this type of traffic, no matter whatever niche you are there, you can create this type of graphics for your channel, for your Instagram page, or anywhere wherever you want to promote. Okay, so see here, this is someone's Instagram, and see he has been promoting his Instagram page over here, creating this graphic. Okay, see here he has directly given his Instagram page. Okay, see, simple and very easy. Okay, just see this, how simple it is to get traffic over here. See here, this is someone's article. Okay, these are, someone has only uploaded his dashboard. He may be selling his a course or related something to make money online. And see here, he has, no, he hasn't given any affiliate any of the links, but you have to provide your links. All you have to do is just go to this website, go to the end of the page and check out the guidelines. Okay, it is very important, you must know the guidelines before uploading content to this website. So you just have to check all this out, what type of content you can upload on this website. First thing, which is the most important, you have to upload your own content. Don't just copy paste any other content, or you will get banned in this website. So it is very important, you have to upload your own created content. Okay, then okay, that's it. And then all other things are like, you cannot post spam others or anything else. You don't have to, you just go in detail and read all these lines in detail so that you don't get banned. Okay, so that's simple. Just go and check out all these terms, and you just have to sign up for this website. It is absolutely free. Okay, here it says upgrade now, but you don't need to upgrade. It's okay, you can go on here with a free account and make okay, now I'm gonna tell you how you can create a graphic. Okay, you just have to go to this website which is known as canva.com, and you can create graphics. All you have to do is create this, select this poster, landscape, and just go. Okay, I have already created a graphic using Canva. All you have to do is just drag from here and drop here, and you can create this type of posters, whatever you want to create on this. Okay, and you just have to download that poster. Okay, that's simple, that's easy, that's all you have to do, and you can create this type of graphics. Okay, this graphic looks really attractive, and you can upload this type of graphic to this website dribble.com. Okay, then you just have to download this graphic. Okay, just create an account on Canva, and you can create it for free. Okay, and you just have to create this type of, it's just a drag and drop. If you want something from here, just you have to drag this text here from here and just drop it here, and you can easily do it. Okay, so that's it, that's simple. You can use this website for free for creating this type of graphics. Okay, and all you have to do is go to this website, just click on upload. Okay, when you just click on upload, just add a title, add some tags, whatever you are, add some description, and add your YouTube channel link or Instagram link or whatever link you want to promote here to get the traffic, and just go for it. And you just have to drag and drop the image which you want to upload over here. Okay, so I just dragged and dropped the image, so this image is now here. Okay, you can upload more than one image over here if you want. Now you just have to add tags like make money. Okay, make money, affiliate marketing. Okay, and etc. You can add the tags over here, whatever tags you would like, and then just add here the description, add your Instagram page link or your YouTube channel link over here, and just you are ready to go. Okay, and you just have to get published to dribble draft, and that's it. You are done, you have got everything, you have published your content, and you may get a great amount of traffic from this website to your YouTube channel, to your Instagram page, wherever you want. Just go here in the description and paste your YouTube channel link, your Instagram link, and just type something which is very good. Okay, you can type a little bit of paragraph showing like, for example, I teach affiliate marketing. Okay, just make it a bit detailed, and paste your Instagram as well as YouTube channel links over here, and you can promote your YouTube channel and Instagram page over here on this website. That's very simple, that's very easy. This website gets a ton of traffic. You can see that it's almost 12.54 million. If you only get a fraction of this a small fraction of this traffic, then also you are gonna receive a great amount of traffic from this website. So that's simple, that's easy, that's how you can promote your YouTube channel as well as your content. Okay, so just go and sign up for this website, which is called dribbble.com, and just you can publish your content over here and make money doing this simple thing, promoting whatever you want to promote, a great traffic source which you can utilize. So if you like this video, then just press the like button and do subscribe to my channel, because I bring this type of interesting content each and every single day, which help you make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So until then, see you in the next video. Goodbye.